Hello, everybody. Wonder what deal with another lockdown, yeah. Alright. We share things online. Over here, so my fridge full, so I'm to go the ice tray. That's why there's some normal have things. We have rum bar and power drink, cheap thing. We have to go the cheap way. And we go market today. So take a look. Over here, so we have green banana. We have corn, nice sweet corn. And over here, so we have a nice dumpling Irish. And yes, so we have a nice yellow yam. Manchester, my parish. Manchester, my parish. Tomato, my parish. Carrot, Manchester, my parish. Cucumber, Manchester, my parish. Big up the Manchester people, them in the Coronation Market. Again, tell me what is string, rainbow string bean, sweet pepper, tough and nice. Tough and nice. When you cut them, you see the smell, the nice green sweet pepper scent. Oh, that's my favorite. String peas. Oh, now the camera right now. Now we have over here, we have string peas. Manchester, you look there. Manchester full of food. This is our ground bless. Scallion. Nice St. Andrew scallion. And over here, so we have what is rosemary, my favorite. Wow, this magic in the kitchen, magic in your brains. This is a good food. This is a very good food. Here I will have a onion. This I will come over here so now. I will have a scallion here so. And over here so now we have a cabbage. Buy a little cabbage, can have cabbage already. So over here so we have pop chow. Tell me about that. Tell me about that. Me say gungo soup nice. And yes so now we have pine. Nice fresh pine. Everything fresh, you know, people. Fresh from the market. And we'll have a nice fresh ginger, nice fresh pepper, nice fresh garlic. And this now, tell me about that. Beetroot juice. I will have a nice fresh ganja grabber. Talk about what? Market settings. Downtown Coronation market settings is. Look at 1 week worth of food. Healthy and nice and fresh, coming from the country. Some of them come up yesterday, some of them come up this morning to show you all the food them fresh and nice, people. So here this now, juice and seasoning and everything. Yeah, so bun and cheese time next. You don't know. And fish.